When it comes to mortgages, one of the questions people always ask me is, am I better off going fixed or going variable? And it's actually a very specific question. It's a very personal question, but let's look at the maths first of all. In an ordinary functioning mortgage market, and I have to be clear, in an ordinary functioning mortgage market, if you go fixed, and then you come out of a fixed rate and go into another fixed rate, and then you come out of a fixed rate and go into another, and you keep fixing for different rates or periods of time for the entire length of the mortgage, you will end up paying more money than if you had just went variable for the whole thing. Now the reason for that is fixed is actually an insurance, and you have to expect to pay for that insurance. It's the insurance of knowing that my repayments are going to be the same every single month until the end of the fixed period. What we have seen coming in Ireland, and a lot more, has been 10-year fixed rate mortgages, which is an unusual one for here, but in the US you'll have 20 and 30-year fixed rate mortgages. But to be really clear, if you are worried and it keeps you up at night about how much the mortgage is going to cost you every month, look at the fixed rate. If it's comfortable for you and you know you'll sleep better, that's more important than any extra money you might pay over the life of the mortgage. I do have to kind of give a caveat there, and the caveat is when it comes to ordinary mortgage markets, fixed rate will cost you more money than variable rates, but we're not actually in an ordinary mortgage market right now, so all that comes into it. For example, we pay more on our interest rates in general than anybody across Europe does. We are very expensive here compared to the banks across Europe. Sometimes 1.5% to 2% more expensive. It costs us a lot more money to pay our mortgages, so we're not in an ordinary environment, so it's very difficult to give specific advice over the next 20 or 30 years about whether it's going to be better to go fixed or variable.